Hi everyone, welcome to Rocket Rose Art. I'm Jeff, hope you're all well. In this video I've got an amazing multicoloured piece that I think I've got to cut a rectangular shape because it's going to give me the best yield out of the piece. It has, and in the video it probably doesn't do it justice, but it has a lot of different colours, has some really nice structure inside it, I'll lose this bit over here, but I should get a really nice rectangular piece. I'll go for a rectangular piece because I really don't want to grind out those sides because it'll take too much of the structure away. Okay, this is our rectangular piece. It's multicoloured, got some beautiful colours in there. You can't quite see them in the video. There are pinks and yellows and even every now and then a reasonable red flash, some greens. There's some nice colours. I think once it's polished it's going to look really nice. Now I'm just going to refine my shape, get this rectangle a little bit better than it is, round it over a bit better than it is. First thing I do, edges again, as I say, just get those edges right. Get them nice and square. It's all by eye, of course. My eye's not necessarily that good, but it's all by eye. I think I've got the sides nice and parallel and all the corners square, so now I'll start rolling the top to form the dome. And it really is just start from the flat of the side and roll it over. The rectangulars are the rectangular ones are different in the way I do them, so I'm trying to form that nice dome shape. Without losing too much material. I'll do the ends. Now, you noticed I didn't do a slight bevel on those ends for setting, so I better correct that now. Okay, I think we have now got that dome right, and notice we've got a slight chamfer on the sides ready for setting, and I think that's going to make a beautiful stone. I'll come back when it's out of the kiln and I'll show you the finished product. Well, I'm really happy. This stone has turned out quite well. It's almost as good as I expected. I only say almost because the little bit of player colour was lost in the cutting. But I think the rectangular shape was the right choice. Normally I would do ovals, but in this particular case, because I didn't want to lose too much of the colour, I think the rectangular shape was the right choice. Plus, I think the rectangular shape will make a really nice ringstone. You can see as I'm moving it around that there are flashes of green, violet, pink, as well as the background orange colour. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.